Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. If you're new here, welcome. Today I have scrapbooking made simple haul to share with you. The items that I bought are from the June warehouse sale. It was from this is I believe week, I want to say three and four. Yeah, this is week 3 and 4. I did put in an order in the last week, so I'm waiting for that one. The sale is over, but she will be having another sale, I believe in December that she said. So you still have another chance to buy some stuff when that sale happens, and I do recommend checking that out. I will leave her link below because she does have other sales every week. So she does have other deals. She does have tutorials on her site. She does have bundles that she sells. She has a whole lot of things going on, and she is a small business, so go ahead and support her and whatnot. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. I can show you what I did get. Yeah, there were actually really good prices on there. I did it just for the first time buying on this warehouse sale, so yeah, I'm going to be looking for this in December, so I recommend you do too, and I will be posting when the sale is going to be happening again. Yeah, so this was actually pretty nice. I did like this. So yeah, let's get into this. So the first thing I do want to show you is the foil. So I did get some gold foiling here. I had a lot of them in my cart, but unfortunately it sold out by the time I did put a payment. So that's the thing with this. If there's something in your cart that you do want badly, put it in your cart and buy it right away. Because if you do keep it in your cart, it's first come first serve basically. So it's whoever pays it first. So meaning if whoever checks out is the one that gets it. So if you want it, go ahead and cash it out. So I did have it in my cart. They had some real pretty pink ones and whatnot. Yeah, so next time. But yeah, I was able to get the gold ones, so I got that, which is actually kind of funny because it's like if you're at the store and everybody went running with your shopping carts, and it's just the visual that I got. But yeah, so I was able to get 2 of these. So I got the 2 different kind of gold, which I don't mind. They will have another sale again. Okay, the next one I have is, now this one here, I didn't get it on the first round, but it was still available. So the next time I went ahead and got it. So I got the llama one, the llama stack from Sizzix. So how cute is that? And it does have some sentiments on here. So I thought this one was real cute. And I did get a few others, which I will leave the other video below also, so you can check that one out. So I got that one too. Just the stamps. It doesn't have any coordinating dies, so you have to fussy cut. Now I did get some stuff from Card Deco, and this one is Season's Greetings, and it's just die cutting. So just little sentiments to die cut. So I was able to get that one. And then another one they have here is Merry Christmas, another little die cut. So they had they had a little bit of everything really with this sale, which is not that bad. And I did get this one here, which is a slim line, and this one had 3 different layers, and you even have little centerpieces. So I even have this one here, and I like the little scallop art. Got that one there, and this is also from Card Deco. And this is another one, and this is another little scallop one, another version. This one comes with 3 layers, and then you also got little centers there, and you got even like buttons a little cloud, speaking cloud and a bow. So they look at that. And then here's another one. I like this one because it's a different border. Now this one here also, I went back and got it again too. And then you also got different centers. Then this one here, I got this one. And this is also another one. So this is actually a pretty good deal. I mean, a good sale. I really do like this. That one. Now this one is another Sizzix from Tim Holtz, which is it does come, now this one comes with a stamp, a little die cut, and it does have a stenciling in the back. Now does it show? Yeah, so you could do a card that way. The stencil, no, it's actually an embossing folder. That's actually very cool. And it does have a sentiment on there. Have that also. Now this one is a stamp, and this is from Parkside Crafts. And this just have different sentiments on there. And this one's a blossom one. So I got this one for spring. And this one like flowers are like friends. This one's like blossoms. I thought that was pretty cute. I love flowers. And there's another spring one. Spring begins. Wishing you a lovely day. Let's party. There's another Parkside Craft one. Now I did get some embossing. Now the rest of these are embossing folders, I believe, which I needed because I have none. This is Parabella Studios, and then right here is what the image is. These are butterflies. Okay, so that's that one. So that's a butterfly one. Okay. The butterfly one there. And this one here. Okay, this one here is texture. This is a grunge texture, which is a lot of words on there or letters. So I got that one also. Okay, this one here is some florals. Got that one. This one, oh, I like this one. This one is like the ruler. Do that one. And this one here is numbers. Do like a grungy one. I like these because they're grungy. Now this one here is from the Ultimate Crafts, and this is more vintagey. I got that one. I think it, oh yeah. Well, these are some other ones they have. So that's a vintagey one. And then here's another one. And this was a nice little Christmassy one. And all of these are embossing folders. And these ones here are A2 size. This one is a 5x7, and this is a floral. Which with this style, I don't have many. Actually, I don't really have any embossing folders, and which I needed. So that's actually pretty nice. This is another floral. Okay, this one has like 4 different ones. And then I do have a Christmas one. Oh, cool. This one actually comes with a snow one, too. And then the last thing I have, what is this one? Is actually another like a vintagey one. It's actually pretty nice, too. So it looks like this is what came with this. They must have had this come out at the same time. But look at that. So yeah, that's pretty much my little, well, not so little haul, but yeah, this is what the deals I was able to get, and this wasn't that expensive. So yeah, I will put her link below so that you can check out her site, because like I said, she does have deals every week. Monday she has an event where you save. She does have tutorials on one of the days. She does have another, on Thursday she has another thing. Saturday she has where she shows a tutorial and shows you some techniques on some products, and she also sells it. So yeah, I'll leave her site below so you can go ahead and subscribe to her channel and support her business and her site and whatnot. And yeah, go check it out so you know when her next warehouse sale will be. And go ahead and leave a comment below if you ever shopped at her warehouse sale, and let me know what was your favorite product that you bought. And remember, do leave a comment or even leave the link in my community tab and let me know if there's any shops that you know about that I may not know about. And with that, you have a blessed day. Oh, and don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.